nice to look out into the room this evening and see so many friendly faces, so many familiar faces. And thank you so much for being a friend to Kechara Soup Kitchen. Your very presence here this evening will actually help Kechara Soup Kitchen to continue its good work of reaching out to those who really need it here in the community of the Klang Valley. As you can see right behind me and up there, Kechara Soup Kitchen's tagline is "Hunger knows no barriers." And to start this evening off on a fast-paced and exciting foot, please welcome the Dance Company.
Quel bonheur de vous trouver là, ce soir sur mes pas, je n'en reviens pas.
Quel bonheur, sit back and relax.
Ce soir nous avons choisi votre galaxie, et c'est à Paris, que le bonheur nous sourit.
Gentlemen, please welcome for her welcome speech the President of Kechara Soup Kitchen, Yang Berbahagia, Dato' Ruby Kong.
Distinguished guests, members of the media, a very good evening. Let me begin by saying how happy and honored I am to be standing here in front of so many distinguished and caring Malaysians. For those of you who are here for the first time, Kechara Soup Kitchen, fondly known as KSK, is a non-religious community action group which consists of volunteers from all walks of life, serving the needs of the marginalized Malaysians. Aside from serving the Klang Valley, we also serve in Penang, Ipoh, Kuantan, and Johor Bahru. And beyond our shores, we also have activity centers in Shanghai and Jakarta. KSK does not only serve food to the needy, but also provides laundry facilities, medical aid, counseling. More importantly, we also help them to find jobs. This community service is available to anyone in need, transcending all barriers. Since 2006, come rain or shine, KSK's volunteers have been distributing freshly cooked vegetarian food, drinking water, bread, and fruit. We serve 1,800 hungry men, women, and children, regardless of race, religion, or creed, every single week. Our non-discriminatory attitude extends to our volunteers who come from all walks of life, motivated by the common goal of helping others. It was the advice of my spiritual guide, His Eminence Sam Tuku Rinpoche, that we must serve without discrimination. His Eminence said, if you x-ray the stomach of a hungry person, it doesn't show his age, gender, nor religion. It just shows a hungry stomach. This brings to life our motto, hunger knows no barriers. KSK has been very fortunate to have received a lot of support and help from generous donors from all walks of life. This in itself shows that our community is made up of people who really care about the welfare of our own fellow Malaysians. As a result of this, we were able to launch our mobile clinic services recently. And just last month, we launched the Kechara Food Bank. What this noble program does is to create awareness of the needs of the smaller charity homes and poor people. We use our premises as the collection center for our donor and then distribute the dry provisions to the needy. This effort requires a lot of logistical arrangements. For now, 6 charity homes and 10 poor families are beneficiaries of this effort. KSK's success is largely attributed to everyone who has helped and contributed in every way, from the volunteers who gave of their time to those who gave in kind, big or small. Every little bit matters here because we are essentially giving hope and saving lives. For we recognize that poverty ravages beyond just the physical aspects. Poverty brings about loss of hope, and it kills the human spirit. So I'm deeply grateful and immensely thankful for every single person and organization who has made KSK part of their social responsibility mandate. And to Ms. Florence Fang and her wonderful team from Malaysian Tatler for being on the organizing committee of our fundraising dinner tonight, I thank you from the depths of my heart. I would like to share some beautiful verses that I think best expresses the spirit and essence of Kechara. May all beings everywhere, plagued by suffering of body and mind, obtain an ocean of happiness and joy by virtue of my merit. May no living creature suffer, commit evil, or ever fall ill. May no one be belittled with a mind weighed down by depression. May the blind see forms and the deaf hear sounds. May those whose bodies are worn with toil be restored on finding repose. May the naked find clothing, the hungry find food. May the thirsty find water and delicious drinks. May the poor find wealth, those weak with sorrow find joy. May the hopeless find hope, constant happiness, and prosperity. May there be timely rains and bountiful harvests. May all the medicines be effective and wholesome prayers bear fruit. May all who are sick and ill quickly be freed of their ailments. Whatever diseases there are in the world, may they never occur again. May the frightened cease to be afraid, and those bound be freed. May the powerless find power, and people think of benefiting each other. For as long as space remains, for as long as sentient being remains, until then may I too remain, to dispel the miseries of the world. With this, I hope to see even more of you stepping forth to serve others for the love of humankind, in whichever capacity you're comfortable with, and championing this essential and necessary cause. Thank you all, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, dinner is served. Enjoy your dinner. Thank you very much.
Whenever I'm alone with you, I can't believe it. You're a dream coming true, and it's ironic to be back and again.
You'll never see a dark cloud hanging around me. Now there is only blue skies to surround me. It's not unusual to be sad with anyone, but if I ever find that you've changed at any time, it's not unusual to find that I'm in love with you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sway me, sway
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, please, for Dr. Ruby. The fifth prize this evening is 1011 is the winner. 3, the winning number is 203. Lucky winner of a silver earring set courtesy of Julia Jewel Boutique, Bangsar. So it was 3, 1, 8. 3, 1, 8. Top 2 prizes. 0 and the last digit is 5. 3, 0, 5. The grand prize this evening. 1, 9, 4. He's also been on TV as well as on the radio. He is known as a man with 1,000 voices and is the king of jingles and is also a master impressionist. Ladies and gentlemen, here is an evening with Dato' Leonard Tan.
I'm only human. Is that your husband? Oh, I'm sorry. Really? No, just kidding, sir. You got a beautiful wife, yeah. Well, Dr. Ruby, angel, make my watch my right leg wish come true. Never kissed an angel. Yeah, I saw you many times there. Yeah. I think you belong to some magazine, yeah? Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen.
Moon color white, white background night color black. Why this color very big?
And like I said, to be like Elvis Presley, you got to shake a leg. And Elvis Presley, ladies and gentlemen, has got Chinese blood in him. It's true. You know why? Because every time he sings, he shakes his left hand. I don't be cruel, you are, that's true. He swings his left hand like that. Yeah, typical Chinaman. Swinging the left hand means bringing good luck, prosperity, good health and all. Yeah. His name is Press and then Lee. Where do you think the Lee came from? I tell you, if you look properly at his birth cert, Elvis Presley San Chun, you can see there. Just like Barack Obama Hussein. Yeah, he took away the Hussein, yeah. Yeah, some people. Yeah. But it's strange these days. You talk about people like in Malaysia. I've been meeting people, you know, schoolmates, you know, I know them as Ahwat. Hey, Ahwat, hobo. Hey, James, James. 20 years ago, Ahwat, now James. James Hwat, yeah. But that's all right if you use the normal James name and all. But the girls, I don't know. I met a girl the other day. What's your name? My name is Indigo. Oh, I'm purple.
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Have a good night. This is Mark Felix signing off. See you guys all soon. Bye-bye.